Hello everyone around the world. So let's fix a laptop. We have a laptop that is coming from a very loyal customer. That the laptop is a E-Machine model G725 series that came in for repair. The laptop is not coming on. It's charging but not coming on according to the owner explanation. But before we fix this laptop, let's speak about uh, what we received today. You remember I'm ordering things on AliExpress, and we received the power supply. Remember we ordered one last month, like a month ago. It's taking like 3 weeks to 1 month. Why? Because I'm choosing AliExpress standard shipping instead of FedEx and DHL because they are so much expensive. You find out that the shipping cost will be more than the buying price, which is very crazy. So in most cases, I'm using AliExpress standard shipping, which takes about a month, 3 weeks to 1 month. So we received the power supply. We received the board order. If I'm working on cell phone motherboards, we now have a board order. We remember how I was, if you check most of my video when I'm fixing phones, that was my board order. I improvised and I was using this transformer so many times. So it's a great improvement from using this transformer as my board order to this board order. Which I bought very cheap from AliExpress. What more did I receive? I received this super fast charger with the 8 outputs, 4 USB type C and 4 USB type A. These are 3.0 USB ports, very fast charging. I also bought this from AliExpress, very cheap. So that's the thing about today. So I will say goodbye to my old power supply. This is 60 volts 5 amps. It's a switching power supply. That was my first power supply which I bought. I used this for more than 3 years, no problem, and still working. And here on top was the USB power meter. So the power supply and the USB display meter, if I'm working on phones, is the one which I mounted with the hot glue on top. So let's go straight to what we have to fix. If you check on the display meter here, we now have this display. This is the new power supply with the USB display meter here. It's 5 volts 0 because there's no load there. If I put my phone, let me put load here just to see how beautiful this power supply is. Check, it's taking 1.4 amps and my phone is charging. It's very beautiful, nice too. So that's the reason why I choose this power supply, because you can see how much current is being drawn on phones. You can also work on laptops. And this power supply is over current protection and over voltage protection. It's quite a beautiful power supply. So what this laptop is doing, let's jump straight to our problem. So let's see. We have 3.3 amps and 19 volts. Okay. So pressing the power supply here, connecting the power supply to the laptop is now taking 224 milliamps, and we have orange light for charging. Check the current. The current is now 320, 420, 517, 618, now 800, now 1 amp, and we have the orange sign for charging. Let's press the power on button here at the center. It's not responding, it's not anything. The screen is black. So that's the problem with this laptop. I never fixed this model, but we'll try. We'll try to fix this model. Charging not coming on. What can be fault? It means all voltages are present. So why the laptop is not responding when I press the power on button? I'm sure the 3.3 and 19 volts is present, but for some reasons the laptop is not responding. So let's see what's going on here. I'll plug the power supply again, and it's taking 8 milliamps because we took out the battery. So what I want to check on the switch. We must have 3.3 there. I can check ground from the VGA port. What voltage do we have here? We are looking for 3.3. The condition to start up laptop, we must have 19, we must have 3.3. On this connector, the 3.3 is missing. Keyboard, maybe we can access something. Oh, check here. You see this connector? It's not even connected. I'm very disappointed. Obviously, it's not coming on because this connector wasn't connected. You see, this connector is going straight to the switch. I'm sure I must have 3.3 from this other side. If I can check, or maybe I can't check. Any voltage from this side? No, I can't check. But what I can do, I can plug back the connector and see if that was the reason why this laptop was not turning on. How did this happen? Let's plug the power supply again. On, and the laptop is coming on. E-machines. So that was the problem. Sometimes it's easy, but I wonder how this connector, this is a very big connector. How this connector jump out of the socket? We have a working laptop. What a waste of time. So I think what I would do, just to be a fair person, I'll keep on. I'll stop this video, but what I shall do after, I'll take out everything. I'll change the thermal paste. I'll clean out the fan, because the fan, there's too much dust on this fan, and I'm sure the thermal paste is like a rock. But the problem is solved. The connector was not connected from inside, which is going to the switch. That was the problem with this laptop. I thought it's something more. And check from the back cover. We have DDR3 RAM. We have this area for the HDD hard drive. We have another one here. If you want to increase storage, you can put 2 hard drives here. Proper nice design. So yeah, I'll strip the laptop. I'll put new thermal paste. I'll clean the fan. Yeah, I think that's what I can do on this one. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.